welcome back to my channel, Magic Wishing Star. This huge box here came from my friend Christina, who has been picking up things for me since February. So whenever she would go out to the outlets or she was out somewhere and she found some great deals, she would let me know and I would get something too. And she finally put it all together and sent me this huge box, and I am going to open it with the help of
Ellie.
Ellie. So Ellie's going to help me unbox this. So Ellie, why don't you, oh wait, we have a note here. It says, oh, I can't believe how much merch I've been hoarding for you over the past 6 months. Hope you love everything, Christina. P.S. Your sister's ears are in the bag wrapped in paper. So Christina sometimes does live sales, and she'll sell stuff that she finds also on sale, and she will pass those savings out onto you. So my helper here is wearing a beautiful dress that I bought her. Do you want to share everybody with your dress?
Yeah.
Beautiful princess dress. Okay, Ellie, in this first bag is your mama stuff, so you can open that.
Ah. Pretty bow. Sparkle.
Mama's favorite color is blue.
Blue. There's red, green.
All different color glitters
Dark
on there.
blue, dark blue, light blue. That's the most I can see.
So go ahead and show these to the camera. You got to show them to the camera, the front, and then you show the back. There you go.
It was made in 2020.
Mm-hmm. Ooh. Those are balloon ears, and you can turn them on. Do you love those?
Yeah. Let's
Okay.
go back.
There's more ears in here. These are mine. So I got the coral ears. And then I think these are called the blue cornflower. They're so pretty. I think I'll wear this one for now. Okay. Let's see what else we got, Ellie.
Can I pick it?
Yeah. Okay, so you're going to put all those aside because we're going to open those separately. But you can go ahead and show what it is. So we got Wishables. We got the, what are these called? The Jungle Cruise. And we got the snack series.
Let's open this one.
Well, we're going to do that in a separate video.
Okay.
Okay, so we got 1, 2, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We've got 7 of them to open. Then, can you open this? While she's opening this, I will show you the masks that I got. These were from one of the Disney stores that were going out of, they were closing them. These were only $1. So I got Tramp and Lady. And I don't know what this one is. I think it's just like hello and goodbye in different languages. Disneyland. Who's that? Oh, Marvel characters. Spider-Man. Another one. Spider-Man. And the Up House. what's in the box.
Ooh, sparkly.
Sparkly paper. Come over here closer to the table. Oh. Closer to the table.
It's an ornament.
It's an ornament.
It's a Mickey hat.
Mickey hat ornament. Okay. I got some leggings. They are the Pixar ball. This one is Winnie the Pooh. And I believe there's a couple of Spirit jerseys. This one is, what's on the front? Right, is that the back? That's the back. This is the front. So the front says Walt Disney World. And I like that sparkle. But then this one is more like oh my goodness. This one's more traditional where the name is on the back. This is the tie-dye one. And on the back it says Disneyland. And then I got this postcard of Lady Tremaine. I have the one of the Queen of Hearts. And then Christina sent me this because she knew I really wanted this. And she had one, so she gave it to me. And I've got a lot of pins, which I'm going to open in another video because I have more pins to share. So we'll open this in another time. I've got a lot of Wishables to open, so I need some help. So I brought my helpers. I have,
Hi.
what's your name?
Max.
Max and
Ellie.
Ellie. So they're going to help me open up Wishables. So we have different ones. We have the Parks Food Series, and we have the Jungle Cruise Series, and Christina from PlayDatesandTravels, she was nice enough to pick these up for us. And so we're going to open these now. Okay, you get one, and you get one. But first you have to tell me which one do you hope that we're getting, because these are our options. We have the Mickey Premium Ice Cream Bar.
I hope for
The
strawberry ice pop.
Aloha Swirl, the Mickey's Cookie and Cream Ice Cream, and the Strawberry Ice Pop.
I hope for the strawberry ice pop. I hope for the strawberry ice pop.
They both want the Strawberry Ice Pop to show up. Okay, so everybody open it up. And we're going to show which one we got.
I got the Mickey cookies and ice cream sandwich.
I got the Aloha Swirl.
Aloha swirl.
Aloha Swirl. So we got two Aloha Swirls.
Aloha swirl. And the Mickey cookies and ice cream
And a Mickey Cookies and Ice Cream
sandwich.
Sandwich. Okay, next we're going to open the Jungle Cruise. Now look on there and tell me which one do you hope that we get.
Tiger.
There's a tiger, there's a hippo, there's the the steamer boat, and then there's the skipper. Okay. Okay, Ellie, go ahead and open yours. I got the tiger.
Me too. Me too.
Oh my goodness, we all got tigers.
God.
Okay, let's see this last one, what it is. What do you think it's going to be?
I don't know.
You think it's going to be another tiger?
No. I hope
It's another tiger. We got 4 tigers.
Mommy. And it's 3 cups. Now you clean the floor. Right now.
Wait, let Mama take a picture. Let Mama take a picture of all the... Well, that's it. We just wanted to open these with you, and I guess we each get one of these. But thank you, Christina, for picking up so many things for us and bringing a little bit of magic to all of us when we can't be near it.